Okay. Oh! Okay. Disconnect. Oh. I'm pretty sure everybody has done this little kangaroo pouch thing one time in their life. I am determined. One trip. Fuck 2 trips. Alright, here we go. This one is looking solid. Okay. Look at that. 16 water bottles, large t-shirt. Fuck with your boy. Okay. Oh! Okay. Disconnect. Oh my god. My heat gun. RIP. Alright guys, in today's video we are going to be making some major progress on the Eclipse finally. Abraham, what are you going to start working on, man?
I'm thinking about actually cleaning the interior of the car. So kind of like scrub it down a little bit, kind of make it a lot more new. So I get started on that.
Hell yeah. So we have some new sound deadening also going to go in after we get the interior all cleaned out. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get to work.
So dude, what's the move, man?
Oh man, well I'm trying to get off this side skirt here. And then I'm going to start sanding it off with the 80 grit. Finally, time to start sanding this thing down into it. I started on the windshield earlier.
Hell yeah.
I got most of it out. And then my heat gun, dude, it set on fire, bro.
Holy shit.
Dude, so I got the clip too on my camera that just like burst into flames. So I couldn't remove the rest of it because I need the heat gun. But I decided just to work on other stuff before maybe next week I can get a new heat gun.
Hell yeah.
But right now I'm just gonna remove the rest of the side skirt here. I had to do a little bit of cutting, but I have one more screw.
Get in it. Yes, sir.
Here we go.
There it is.
You guys can see there are hella holes in it. It's just not good metal anymore. I'm not going to use a spare tire anymore. It's just going to be a rear platform. So I'm just going to make a quick cut along this seam here. And then along the bottom, I'm going to go along this seam that they've already made for us. Ideally, I would cut along here, but this is actually the back end of the car, so I don't want to be able to make up for that later on. So I'm just going to make a clean cut right here, finish it off, and hopefully it'll be time to weld in like a couple weeks.
Yeah, yeah.
And there we go. Let me go around you real quick. There we go. Door speakers in here seem like they've been upgraded since Sony doesn't seem like an OEM piece from Mitsubishi. So these door speakers are gonna go into the Firebird. The Firebird still has the OEM stuff. The driver's side door speaker is actually gone bad. So I'm thinking these speakers will fit in there just fine. And then when it's time for the Eclipse to get a sound system, it'll get a brand new, just a whole new system for it. There we go, some Sony. There's the barcode if you guys are interested in buying this set or something like that. Alright guys, so it is a couple hours later and me and Abraham have tackled the interior job here. I cut out the spare tire area that was right here and we're going to platform it over. That's going to be in a couple episodes. I don't have a welder yet and I don't have that sheet yet. I'm going to clean up some of these cuts though. Maybe I might extend it out a little bit just to, but we went in here with some car wash soap and water, and as you guys can see, this interior paint is honestly immaculate.
Icy.
Prep it out, get some mineral spirits, wipe that down, and then we'll start applying that sound deadening. See how it's like perforated? Like it looks like it's like dimple. You're supposed to roll it out until it's like flat.
Completely flat in there.
So it's like designed just to show you when you're done rolling it out. Kind of cool. Alright guys, so I'm about to leave the shop, but I wanted to show you how much progress we made on the Eclipse. So here we are from the back of the Eclipse here. I cut this out. We're going to platform this, put the battery back here in the spare. We're going to make a nice little mount here. Tomorrow we're probably going to remove this exhaust, or if not tomorrow, then sometime soon. And in here we put in that 80 mil, 2 millimeter thick sound deadening. Looks pretty good in here. And I'll show you from the other side too. We also got the windshield out. We remove the speakers in all four corners of the car. Here's that sound deadening again. But the interior of the Eclipse looks really, really good. So right now I'm actually going to go to the gym finally. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next one. Peace.